morning, y'all. It's about 7:30 on a Sunday morning in Berkeley. And I just wanted to do a little test video to see how this would work. Driving southbound on San Pablo Avenue. Almost looked like a driver's training video or something like that. But that's not the intent. There's the Popos heading out to get them some donuts. It rained here last night, if you're wondering why the streets look wet and the trees are getting kind of skinny too. We're getting ready for winter over here. You know, it's Northern California, they have winter up here. Not like in LA when you can go barbecuing in your shorts on Christmas Day. And contrary to what you probably heard me say about traffic over here, this is Sunday morning and the street is empty. Naturally, because most of the folks younger than I am was probably out drinking and partying last night, sleeping it off right now. Or the older ones are probably at church or getting ready to head to church or something like that. So the streets are unusually empty. I'm gonna slow down a little bit because there's a car on the right of me. Look like he's flanking me. So I slow down, he slow down. What's up with that? I don't know. I just woke up a little bit ago, so that's why I'm clearing my throat. And I guess I've gotten kind of paranoid at my older age. I don't like people sticking right by me like that. Too many crooks and crazy thieves and deceitful people running around nowadays, so you just can't be too sure. I mean, you know, I grew up in LA, but I've seen just about a little bit of everything. But I don't know the vibe out here like I used to know it in LA. You know, LA has changed quite a bit too. I think the whole world has gotten just a lot more crazier than when I was coming up. This is University Avenue, and to the left will take you to Cal State Berkeley. And to the right, that would have taken you to the marina, the Berkeley Marina. So I'm about to hit up Jack in the Box over here on the left. That's the way I do breakfast. Single man breakfast, I guess you call it. It's good. Nobody here but me. I dig it. And thank you for watching.